Okay, so um, we have a problem like looking into this. This is an account of 4382, and if we go into the reconciliation status of this, 4382 is reconciled up to first day of March. However, there's still a transaction here that is not cleared in the bank feeds. So how do we resolve this one to clear this from here? Okay, this 177,154. Now let's try to find. So I'm sure that this 17796, if we go to the bank statement and find this 177, I'm not sure if this can be found inside here because the cutoff of the last is to 1. So maybe it's all of it is here. This is ending to 1. Okay. So 177, we can use find. And we can use find for this to make it fast to find. Control F. There is no 177. Okay. And ayun. Dito 17796 statement. So ito yun. So andito talaga siya. Now, why is not na hindi siya na-clear doon? So hanapin natin itong 177 dito sa QuickBooks. 17796. So ayan, nandito pala. So the problem, bakit hindi ito nag-match doon? But I'm sure na this is cleared if we go into the chart of accounts. Natin na sa chart of accounts. Cost ko ng 4382. Okay. Hanapin natin yung 177.96. Ayan, reconcile na siya pero hindi siya na-match doon. So, ang gawin is i-unmatch muna. Okay. Para ma-match natin dito. Dito. Okay. Unmatch muna yan. Then, pagkatapos, okay. Pag na-unmatch na, makikita yan dito. Kasi pag halimbawa nandun pa yung R, hindi yan lalabas dito para mag-match. So try to refresh this. Okay, para lalabas siya. Yun, nag-match na siya. So i-match mo. Pag i-refresh mo itong register, i-refresh mo yan, pero naka-C na siya. Okay, so ang gagawin mo, there's no need to undo the reconciliation. I-try to change to R mo na lang yan. At yan. Tapos, okay. So, we're done. Yun. So, yung 177, 96 is, okay, kung i-refresh mo ito dito,